32.
Southbound coming to 76. Stand by, I'm not going to 1047.
And 4 units, next direct, L32 to 37.
Southbound speed. TDI.
10-4.
Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Final's going to be between 76 and 73. Let me see your hands!
10-4, you realize the county line.
Show me your hands! Put your hands against the glass! Show me your hands!
45.
21 section. 23 section.
10-4.
45 W97.
10-4.
He's in the driver's seat. You got a gun? Please. Hey, stay covered. Stay covered. Stay covered. Come here. Come here. Right here. Stay covered. Stay covered. Trying to get out. I know. Just stay covered. Don't shoot him. I got it. He's trying to get out, but his hands are just put on the door the whole time. We're going to have to pull him out. I said he's trying to dig around in the car. I can't see his hands.
197.
You want to just try to get him out? He's stuck in there. He's been trying to get out. Hey, stop digging around! Stop moving right now! You will get shot! Show us your hands! Walk around. Keep your hands up. Walk your hands up.
I got you.
Come around. Come around this side. Quit digging. Keep your hands up.
Keep your hands on the roof.
Walk around. Walk around.
Out of my car. Stop
Walk around.
reaching down. Keep your hands up. Stop reaching down. Open my door. No.
Crawl
out the window. Okay, yes sir. Yes sir. Okay. Is that okay? Keep your hands up. I'm trying, sir. I promise.
Yep.
I promise. Open my door. Sorry, my leg kind of hurts.
Walk towards us. Walk towards us. Walk towards us. Stop digging. Stop reaching. Come here. Walk towards us. Walk towards us.
10-4, 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10-4. 10
okay.
Lay on your face. Lay on your face.
Get down.
Lay on your face.
Get down.
What do you mean?
Lay on your face.
What do you mean? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here you go. What did I do? Ow. 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 My arm. Hey. Hey. Help. Ow. Ow.
I got this one.
Ow. 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 Ow.
Stop.
Stop. Stop over there.
Stop. We're gonna start.
I'm sorry. It really hurts. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
940297.
I'm so sorry. Is that my wallet?
32 over 215.
Okay, that is my wallet. That is my wallet.
32, you want me to clear the net?
Huh.
10-4, go 1064.
Is it?
Alright.
10-4, unit clear, we're 10-15.
What did you say?
You're fine. Just chill.
Okay. I got it. But yeah, that is my wallet.
Good.
Hey, sir. What is that? Is that a camera? Like this thing on your chest? I can't forget.
Stop moving around.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Yeah. I didn't sit up on your butt.
Yes, sir. Just like this?
Just like that.
Okay.
Pull your feet up.
Putting it like this?
Yep, just like that. Stand up.
Can you help me with my fucking, my hands really hurt. Whoa.
Did you advise you're turning around? Like,
How did I hit that? What the fuck? Can I leave me out of my car? I don't know how I did that. Oh, that's what happens when you Dude, can you help me with this? It really hurts. It's like hurting my wrist. Can you like try to take them off? Or like, this can, it really hurts my wrist. It like really hurts.
We're working on it. Just
Okay, thank you.
relax.
It just hurts my wrist.
Okay, just keep facing forward.
Okay.
Because when you turn, it makes it harder for us. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Please just help me through it.
You're good. Sit down. Yeah, sit down.
Okay. Yes, sir. Ow.
Put your legs in.
What?
Put your legs in.
Okay. Okay. You want my back?
Yep, back against the seat.
Guys, please help me.
32, do you have patient information?
Please help me.
You can cancel that.
Good?
Yes, sir. I don't think I have any damage either.
Get after him?
Yes. He passed me in the median going probably 120. And so I did the lights and sirens, took off after him. I passed 76, he wasn't yielding at all. So it's just like trying to find the opening. Got my opening because I couldn't get, he was basically right against the wall the whole time.
Yeah.
Couldn't get my opening. You know, I saw an opening in traffic. So I went on the other side and just TDI'd him that way.
Good. Inside. Get him
Yes,
on this.
sir.